Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Delano, local, and long-distance movers near me. We provide you with the necessary services for your long-distance move. When you choose to hire us, you'll get one of the best crews ready to make your moving day simple. Whether you're going one state over or across the country, we can help you with your move. Our team will handle the loading, transportation, and unloading. We can also offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing a California moving company for your local move often makes sense. You will save time and gain the convenience of a crew doing the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're moving a few miles away or across the city, our team will make the move so much faster for you. 3 Movers offers the right option for your moving day. Our local movers know how to streamline the process and make your move easier. If you want to get settled in faster, we're here to help. A move that would take you all weekend, we can complete in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Delano moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.